the beautiful wig on. Like, look at this. Look at this. Come on, look at that. I made it, y'all. Yes, I do make wigs, and I've made them for the longest. Allove hair, if you're wondering. So I literally just popped this wig on. Yes, it does have combs in it. It's like a comb, 2 combs in the front. I forgot, you guys. Gonna also need 2 clips. Really don't wanna curl this hair like I do, but then I don't, cause it looks so pretty straight too. If y'all wondering, I'm looking in my mirror. Then again. Just wrap it around and hold it for like 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna let it go. Hair. I mean, the app is bomb and the hair is bomb. So okay, so y'all, this is the outcome of what I did. I'm getting to the top now. While everything is setting, I'm going to take some of this oil. It's called marula oil, and it's like a little dropper. So I'm going to put a few drops in my hand. I'm going to rub it together, and I'm going to rub it on the hair. Oh my god, y'all, this stuff smells so good. Do y'all love it? Because I love it. It's like the body wave pattern, as if I just made my wigs and just put it on. It looks really good. It's like really smooth. If you want a little more voluminous look, just put some flexi rods in it and sleep on it, and you'll be all set in the morning. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, my lovelies.